Caltech that in the last 36 hours, we had basically zero earthquake activity in Southern California, which is very rare. Unlike many of the tough characters I have portrayed in my film career.
Hello?
Kate, stop what you're doing.
Jackson?
Listen to me. I've rented a plane. Pack up the kids. I'm gonna be there in 5 minutes.
What are you talking about? We were gonna do our regular Saturday. Noah has music at 2 and Lil has karate.
Not that would expect him to remember.
Kate, California is going down. Pack up the kids now.
They just got back. God, you sound like a crazy person. The governor just said we're fine now.
The guy's an actor. He's reading a script. When they tell you not to panic, that's when you run.
Hey, you call me back when you calm down.
Mommy, why is Daddy so crazy?
Finish your pancakes, Al Capone.
It seems to me that the worst is over.
Hold Mommy's hand, step up!
Let's go! In the fucking car! Right now!
Let's go!
Move!
Come on, kids!
Get up!
Move quick!
Move! Sorry.
Jackson, hurry up! Look behind you! Oh, God.
Get out of the way!
Move it!
Hold on to those eggs, dear.
Come on!
Come on, yo bags! Go! Sidewalk left! Tree! God, careful!
Everybody hang on!
Oh, my God! Down there!
Gotta get to Santa Monica Airport.
We'll take the freeway. It'll be half the time.
Yeah, right. We gotta get to the other side of the freeway.
It's just been upgraded to a 10.9 by the guys at Harvard. What does Caltech have to say?
The whole city of Pasadena was wiped out just a few minutes ago. This is coming in live from Coachella Valley out near Joshua Tree, that huge canyon that wasn't there this morning. And 400 miles further north, Point Reyes, same thing.
San Andreas fault is shifting.
Yes, and all major sister faults in the Bay Area. The whole Pacific Plate is destabilizing.
Hold my hand. Stay close. Come on. Who's that?
Our pilot!
Your pilot! Gordon! Gordon, you can fly? No, I've only had a couple of lessons in a single engine plane only.
You're the guy!
No, I am not the guy.
Trust me, you're the guy!
I'm not being modified.
kid! Gordon's gonna get us out of here!
Hey, look, that plane has multiple engines!
TNP? What? Temperatures and pressures. Let's go. I gotta do my pre-flight check.
Let him concentrate, Jackson. He has no experience.
Thank you.
Gordon, go!
Come on.
Go, Gordon, go!
We're not there yet.
Gordon, take off!
Punch it. I have to get to 85 knots. 80's good. All right, screw it. Here we go. Okay, we're up.
Lily, go sit with your brother. I don't understand. How did you know this was gonna happen?
It's not just California. It's the whole goddamn world is going to shit. I met this guy in Yellowstone, this crazy guy, but he's been right about everything that's happened so far. And he said the government is building these ships, spaceships. I don't know what, but something. Ships? Yeah, places where we can be safe. He knows where they are. He's got a map.
Jackson.
Kate, you gotta just trust me on this, okay?
Guys, look.